In this video, we'll discuss about our visual checkout form editor, which is only available in our Pro version. You can edit each text from here and can see the result visually, how it will look at your checkout form. And you can also hide the full section from here. If you click here, it will be hide. Thus, you can change each option. You can also edit the titles and each option. So for this, you can disable this option if you want to hide the section, and can add level and the placeholder. And if you want to keep it as required, then it should be enabled. If this option is not required, you can disable this. Then you need to click Save Changes. Let's close the tab. Here we have more option for this. We can edit each option from here. And at the right side is our order summary. You can change the title from here. You can also hide the section. You can hide the full section from here and can edit each option. You can also change the place order text from here. I can also hide the button. Now let's do some changes and I will show you how they display in our checkout pages. So let's enable the coupon code again and click on the last name. Let's make it not required and click Save Changes. Now let's remove the postal zip area and company name, and we can also hide this section, ship to a different address. Now let's change the place order text. Order now, click Save Changes. Now click here, Save Changes. Now if you visit the shop page and try to buy any new product, then it will land it to checkout page. See, our billing details and the last name is being optional as it was required, and the other section that we have disabled here, they are not showing in the checkout form. And you can see the place order text is also changed to order now. That's how you can change each option as you want and see the visual that how it will look at your checkout form. So this amazing feature you will get only in our Pro version.